I'm Jadot and I work at Eurosense. We are quite active in the whole range of geo-data. So we start with the acquisition of the data. We have our own planes in which we can mount different types of sensors. We have the cameras with which we take pictures up to 2 centimeter GSD. We also recently acquired a new laser scanner, the Regal VQ1560, which allows us to take very good Lidar data. And then we also have other sensors like thermal cameras and others to capture the data. Then we will further process this data to all different kinds of solutions, smart solutions for our customers, for example, 3D models, but also other kinds of data. And we also work with satellite data, which we will then process for a good solution for our customers as well. Eurosense is very happy to be back at INTERGEO. Like every year, we are always here. This year it marks a special year for us because it's our 55th anniversary. So we are very proud of the rich history that we have and all the experience that we have built in the geodata sector. Now we are also very happy to look at the future. We have some very big projects coming up in different countries in Europe. Also, we recently invested in the Eagle Mark III and in a new Lidar scanner, the Regal VQ1562. So it's pretty exciting times for Eurosense.